Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore backup data from Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So in order to do it, just go to the settings, then go to accounts and backup. Now go to restore data under the Samsung Cloud section, and now you can select the backup to restore data from. Now you can select which things to restore and click on restore. Depending on how much data was backed up and on your internet connection, it may take longer or shorter. In my case, it'll be pretty short, so I'm gonna click on restore. Then I'm gonna install backed up apps, and now it'll restore everything. And now the data is restored, so I can click on done. If you want to delete your old backup after restoring it, you can click on delete or click on later if you want to keep that backup. I'm gonna keep it, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.